Hi, welcome back here live from GDC 2019 from the Moscone Center in San Francisco. My name is Sebastian Ang and this channel is called MRTV. Yeah, well, I have just watched the HTC Vive keynote here, and in this video I'm going to give you a summary. Unfortunately, I could not live stream from the press conference itself. That's why I was live blogging everything to my Twitter channel. So if you're not yet following me on Twitter, do so now if you want to get the latest directly from the press conferences. And my Twitter handle is Mixed Reality TV, one word, twitter.com/mixedrealitytv. And well, you will get the latest news directly from the press conferences where I cannot live stream. But now this is my summary now for that press conference from the Vive keynote. So first of all, unfortunately, we did not hear anything new about the Vive Cosmos. So no new news about the Vive Cosmos, no launch date, nothing. The thing was, this press conference was more about their platforms, the Viveport platform. And they made it very, very clear in that keynote that actually for them, they see the biggest growth opportunities not in hardware, but in platforms. They believe platforms are the most important, so they did say, hey, our lineup is great. Here, see, these are our new Vive headsets, the Pro I, the Focus Plus, and the Cosmos. Everything is amazing, gonna happen in this year. But honestly, we also want to have the Oculus users on our platform, and that is news. This is a news item. Also, Windows mixed reality headsets are going to work on Viveport soon. So all of the Windows mixed reality headset users, all those Samsung Odyssey users, they will also be able to use the Viveport Infinity subscription. So that is one of the news items. So then, of course, there was big, long talk about Viveport Infinity. This is the next big thing for Vive, for Viveport. What is it? It's a subscription service. And what HTC basically wants to do here, well, we know it, but anyway, still again, they want to build a Netflix for VR, where with one flat fee, you can simply play all of those VR games that are available under the Viveport subscription. And these are like 600 plus apps and games, so there should be quite some choice for you. We don't know yet exactly which games are there. We're going to find out on 2nd of April when the service starts. For $99 per year. You can play as many VR titles as you want, or if you want to go for the monthly fee, it's going to be $13 US per month. So that's going to be very interesting, and you'll be able to use it with all the Vive headsets, with the Oculus Rift and with the Windows mixed reality headsets. And well, I believe you can even use it with your Pimax headset. I believe that's going to happen. So I really want to know from you guys, what do you think about Viveport Infinity? Is it something that interests you? Are you going to overcome your Viveport fears? Like me, honestly speaking, I haven't really used it yet. I was simply stuck on Steam and I was happy, but now I'm going to try it out. I'm going to give it a shot because I believe that $99 is a really fair price, and especially for 600 games that I can play as often as I want, that seems to be quite interesting, and I'm definitely going to give it a shot when it's going to be available starting from 2nd of April this year. So very, very soon we can check it out, and then of course I'm going to find out which games are there and which games are missing. And I'm going to let you know what I think about it. So that's definitely going to be one interesting part. Then another big news actually that came out of this press conference is that they are going to allow the developers to earn more. So instead of the 70-30 revenue share from before, something that's still normal also on Steam VR, now they will be able to earn 80%, and Vive will get 20%. So 80-20 instead of 70-30. Now this is quite some good news for the developers, and actually Steam VR could feel some pressure now to also change this because developers could earn more. with this kind of mode. So interesting, Epic Game Store has changed the revenue share system. Now Viveport is changing the revenue share system. So probably Steam VR will feel some pressure, and yeah, it would be cool actually to see that the developers can earn more and more. That's a great thing about competition for us consumers. So that was definitely also an interesting tidbit there. Then another cool thing that happened was actually a Qualcomm representative to enter the stage. And well, Qualcomm is working together with Vive on those headsets, on those chips. The chips in the Cosmos and Focus are using the Snapdragon chips. And one thing was interesting about the presentation, and that was when the representative said that in 2019, these 3 interesting things are going to happen. And please see the slide on my Twitter feed. Number 1, headsets connected to Snapdragon 5G mobile phones. That was number 1. Number 2, 6 degrees of freedom, standalone headsets with 6 degrees of freedom, standalone controllers, right? Like Oculus Quest. Then number 3 was interesting. PC boundless VR. So it means like if you go close to your computer, if you are close to your computer, then you're not tethered to that mobile phone anymore, the first case, but you can play VR from your computer. And yeah, without a cable. So that was kind of interesting because they are building those reference headsets where other companies can simply take this reference headset and build their own hardware from. So I was thinking, yeah, well, the Cosmos kind of has this concept with the Snapdragon mobile 5G headset. Does it mean that probably the Cosmos is actually wireless after all? So that was what I was thinking, but then I remembered that in January, that Vive said no, it's going to have a wire. Anyways, so it seems like the Qualcomm reference headset has this functionality of wirelessly connecting to your PC and getting the games wirelessly. So the Qualcomm representative said we should all meet him here at the GDC, and yeah, I'm going to check this out for you guys. And I will let you know what actually they have in store here. So that was definitely the interesting parts about the HTC Vive keynote here at GDC 2019. So unfortunately, we didn't hear any more Cosmos news, but well, platforms. And one thing also that I forgot to mention here, they're going to make it easier for people to find content in Viveport Infinity. So they have a new system, it's called HTC Vive Lens, and it's like a nice user interface for people to find the content because, well, there's lots of content now in that Viveport Infinity service, and well, therefore they have built this new interface. It did look quite cool. All right, that's everything that I got for you guys for this stream. I see 76 people are watching this and only 16 thumbs up. Dear watchers, if you like these live streams, I would be very happy if you would give it a thumbs up right now. It's only 1 click for you, but it does help me. It does help that more people can find MRTV and more people can find those streams, and that, yeah, I can probably bring more people into VR. So that would be amazing. Thank you so much for your thumbs up. And yeah, please spread the word that MRTV, without a doubt, is very, very good. So now, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to go to the Oculus booth. Now, probably I'm going to have a drink first. Oh, a drink first, a Coke or something. And then I'm going to go to the Oculus booth. And I'm going to try the Oculus Quest. I'm going to try the Oculus Quest for you guys. I cannot live stream this, so I'm going to try it out, and then I'm going to let you know my first hands-on review. No Rift S here. No Rift S here, by the way. Good. So let me go and have my Coke Light. And then I'm going to go to the Oculus booth, and I will let you know how the Oculus Quest is like. So do stay tuned to Amber TV. And if you have not yet subscribed to Amber TV yet, do so now. And I'm looking forward to see you in the next episode, which is a bit later today. So stay tuned. Looking forward to see you very, very soon. Bye-bye. Don't forget the thumbs up. Thumbs up.